Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Battlefield 6 Beta for free on PC and laptop. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and type in Battlefield 6 Open Beta. Scroll down until you find the official EA website, then click on it. On the site, scroll until you see Download Now. Click it, then select your platform. Then, since we're on Windows, choose Download EA app for Windows. Run the installer from your file explorer and let it install. Once installed, open the EA app, sign in with your account, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. In the EA app, use the search bar at the top and type Battlefield 6. Then select Battlefield 6 Open Beta. Then click Download and choose your install location and press Next. The game will now appear in your library. Once it finishes downloading, hit play and enjoy. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.